Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceaut. We're inside this 1971 Ford Maverick that we're doing the resto mod on, and we're trying to share as many videos as we can at the different steps. In an earlier video, we shared with you the dashboard cluster where we've taken the 2012 Mustang original gauges and we have these beautiful odometer gauges, and we were kind of teasing you where we said we had the dashboard of the Maverick removed, and we've set in and installed this dashboard, and I don't believe this has ever been done yet. So this dashboard, I apologize for the dust, and hopefully the lighting is decent. So this is a 71 Ford Maverick with a 2012 Ford Mustang GT dashboard. So we have the dash. We've made lots of adjustments and cutting and trimming to make it fit. You can see the door posts where they come down and meet the dash. I think the camera person can probably pick that up. There's a filler panel that I'm pretty sure we're going to be able to use that comes down that side and meets the dashboard. And you can see how nicely it fits with the door. Now we had to modify the actual door panel for the dash to fit in, but look at how nice that looks. And then you have the better idea with these odometer gauges. You can see how nicely they fit in there. We have the there's a filler panel that goes in here. We've ordered our steering column by I Did It. We've taken a lot of measurements. So this dashboard is actually fastened in the car now. We'll be changing some of the stuff in the front here for a stereo. We have the console, and we've modified to make it fit also. And I apologize for all the dust and dirt. But we've made brackets, welded them to the tunnel, and we've actually bolted this console right in place to the car. And then we have this really nice, the distance between where the windshield is on the Maverick and the original dash face is the same distance. So we were able to cut and trim the Mustang dash back to make it fit the same distance, and then we fitted everything and taken measurements for steering column, which we've ordered, and then we've modified. There's some rust in the floor on the driver's side. I think the camera person can probably see that. We've cut a hole out of there. That was quite a bit of rust there, and it's also raised up where the 2012 seat would not fit in. So we're going to modify that pan, the floor pan, for proper fitment, and we're going to use the 2012 Mustang GT bucket seats in this same location. And I think hopefully if I get my fat head out of the way and if I move back a little bit, the door itself, these are the original steel doors of the Maverick. And you can see, as I pointed out on the driver's side, if that raised portion of the door was hitting the dashboard. So we've just, it's kind of barbaric right now, but we've trimmed and cut and moved back and recessed this panel back. So you can see, I think it'll show up in the camera, it's now recessed in, so when I go to shut this, it actually has the clearance with the dash, the same thing on the driver's side, and we go to refinish the panels, it'll be a really nice fit, and we'll do something with the insert. One thing that we're going to have to change, you can see the window regulator, there's a little knob here which is for the window. We're going to convert this to power windows, so when we do that, this won't be here, and we'll have remote power windows. So it's coming along quite nicely. So the whole dash of the 71 Maverick is out, the 2012 dash is in, we've made all the brackets, it's fastened and it's in there very, very securely. So in our next video, what we're going to do is we're going to share with you the modifications we've done to the bottom side of the car in the rear end, because believe it or not, we're taking the rear end out of the Maverick and we're going to use the 2012 rear diff and suspension. So in our next video, that's what we'll be sharing with. So once again, this is a 1971 Ford Maverick. I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceaut.com.